In this video, I will show you how to install the Dynaneo slide. We will also be using the appropriate drilling jig for this job. Today, I will not only show you how you can install the Dynaneo, but also how you can quickly and easily implement it using the appropriate drilling jig. Our combination drilling jig covers all of the drilling patterns on our concealed slides. This means that the drilling jig is suitable for both the Dynaneo slide and our Dynapro slide. Position the template in the cabinet and then drill the corresponding holes by using the center drill bit. The distance from the lower edge of the template to the center of the hole is 37 millimeters. Similarly, it's 37 millimeters from the front edge of the cabinet to the same hole. First, clean the cabinet and then screw on the slide. For this job, we'll be using 4 16 millimeter screws. So, that looks good. And now you've seen how easy and straightforward it is to install the slide in the cabinet in just a few steps. You can find further useful information and links to our products in the description for the video. If you have questions about this product or others, write them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I wish you all the best and hope you enjoy carrying out your projects.